I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: your account number, IFSC, and either the physical check or the transaction date. Once logged into Kotak Mobile or net banking, go directly to Accounts. Make sure multi-factor authentication completed. If you physically have the check, examine the top right corner and the 6-digit or 7-digit MICR serial at the bottom. This is the check number. If you do not have a leaf, proceed to check digital records in the next step. Once done with login, navigate to Account Details and open the statement for the date when the check was issued or cleared. Look through transactions. Check debits usually include the check number in the narration field. This is how digital records reveal the number when the leaf is missing. If the app truncates text, download the e-statement or transaction PDF, because the full narration often contains the complete check serial. Make sure to check both debit and pending transactions. To finish, verify the found number against the physical leaf or statement image. If the number is not visible in statements, request a check image or copy through your branch or by calling Kotak Customer Care. Provide account details and transaction date. Visit the branch with photo ID when required. They can pull check images or issue replacements. If there is any discrepancy, keep all reference numbers and escalate with the branch manager so you can resolve lost or disputed check issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.